Hey, good morning, everyone. It's Liz Costanzo, Social Studies ISS at headquarters, and I am here to work with you guys through our learning experience on the Red Scare. The Red Scare combines learning from the previous quarterly professional learning in a format that our students will experience on literacy end of year assessments. These assessments incorporate historical documents and social studies texts where students will apply their historical thinking skills and the literacy skills associated with the analysis of informational texts. This includes both primary and secondary sources. The Red Scare is a 90-minute learning experience appropriate for students in grades 6 through 12. The standard utilized for this activity, however, is an 11th grade U.S. history standard. The video will guide you through the experience, but in case you have a computer issue, the instructions are included on the Schoology page as well. So you can see that there's instructions there and there's instructions here. So hopefully this is going to be working very well today, and let's go ahead and get started. So remember to click Next to move you through the experience. Part 1 is the compelling question. And I'm going to ask that you guys try to experience this as students, and then we'll use a teacher-to-teacher technique at the end of the learning where we'll talk through what we did as students so you'll be able to apply this into your classroom. Our compelling question today is, was the post-World War II communist threat real? So here's what you're going to do. You're going to click on the link to the Google spreadsheet, which is in Schoology, and then you're going to take a minute to write down 3 questions that this question raises for you. And I'm going to ask that you do this as an individual, not as a team. So once again, you're going to click on that Google spreadsheet, and you're going to respond. And here's what it looks like. Once you get in here, you're going to be able to see first name, your school, your district, and then question 1, question 2, and question 3. This blue box at the end, that's for later today. So if you could go ahead, and this time we're going to do something a little bit different. Rather than giving our first thinking around a compelling question, you're going to ask more questions about that question and what you might need to know in order to respond to that question. And once again, the prompt is, was the post-World War II communist threat real? When you're completed with this activity, click Next, and I'll move you to the next part of the learning experience.